Hello friends, in the chapter halogen derivatives, till now we have studied chemical properties of haloalkanes. Into the chemical properties, we studied laboratory test for haloalkanes, then nucleophilic substitution reactions and their mechanisms, that is SN2 and SN1 reaction mechanisms. Then we studied elimination reaction, also called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. And then we studied reactions with some metals, that is formation of Grignard's reagent by reacting with magnesium metal, and then second was Wood's reaction, that is the reaction with sodium metal. Now in this lecture we shall study reactions of haloarenes. Till now we have studied reactions of haloalkanes or alkyl halides. Now we have to study reactions of haloarenes or aryl halides. In the reactions of haloarenes, we have to study first reaction, that is reaction with metals. Reaction of haloarenes with metals, and into this topic we have to study two reactions. First will be Wurtz-Fittig reaction and second will be Fittig reaction. Now first Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Now what is Wurtz-Fittig reaction? आपण याच्या अगोदरच्या लेक्चरमध्ये मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये वुड्स रिएक्शन शिकलो. वुड्स रिएक्शन मध्ये दोन अल्किल हलाइडचे मॉलिक्यूल सोडियम मेटल बरोबर रिएक्ट होतात इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ ड्राय इथर, आणि प्रॉडक्ट असतो हायर अल्केन, म्हणजेच अल्किल हलाइड मध्ये जेवढे कार्बन आहेत त्याच्यापेक्षा डबल नंबर ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम असणारा अल्केन आपल्याला प्रॉडक्ट मिळतो. नाउ इन द Wurtz-Fittig reaction, this is the extension of Wurtz reaction only. So in this reaction, one molecule of aryl halide and one molecule of alkyl halide react. They react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether as the solvent. म्हणजे ह्या रिएक्शन मध्ये एक अरिल हलाइडचा मॉलिक्यूल म्हणजेच हॅलोअरिन म्हणजेच एरोमॅटिक कंपाउंड आणि एक अल्किल हलाइड मॉलिक्यूल यांची रिएक्शन होते विथ सोडियम मेटल in presence of dry ether. The product in this Wurtz-Fittig reaction is alkyl substituted aromatic compound. म्हणजे aromatic compound मध्ये हॅलोजनच्या जागेवर अल्किल ग्रुप येतो. जे रिंग वर सबस्टिट्यूएंट जो हॅलोजन असतो त्या जागेवर काय येणार या ठिकाणी अल्किल ग्रुप, म्हणून त्या प्रॉडक्टला आपण म्हणतो अल्किल सबस्टिट्यूटेड aromatic compound. So alkyl group will be substituent on the aromatic ring, and therefore the product is alkyl substituted aromatic compound. Now look to the example here. Bromobenzene, this is aryl halide or haloarine. Bromobenzene plus methyl bromide, it is alkyl halide or haloalkane, methyl bromide. So one molecule of haloarine we have taken bromobenzene, another molecule of alkyl halide, that is methyl bromide, plus twice of Na, two sodium atoms in presence of dry ether. They react. We get the product toluene. This is the toluene molecule. Methyl group substituted on benzene ring. So it is toluene. It is also called as methyl benzene. So it is methyl substituted benzene. So methyl benzene, or its special name is toluene, plus twice of NaBr, sodium metal, sodium bromide. Two molecules will be the side product in this reaction. Now second reaction is Fittig reaction. आता बघा, आपण मागच्या लेक्चर मध्ये वुड्स रिएक्शन शिकलो. दोन अल्किल हलाइडच्या मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये ते सेम किंवा डिफरंट असतील त्यांच्यामध्ये रिएक्शन होते. आता आपण Wurtz-Fittig रिएक्शन बघितली, त्याच्यामध्ये एक अल्किल हलाइड आणि एक अरिल हलाइड मॉलिक्यूल असतील, सोडियम बरोबर रिएक्शन होईल. आता Fittig रिएक्शन, this reaction is the reaction between two aryl halide molecules. म्हणजे दोन्ही मॉलिक्यूल या ठिकाणी हॅलोअरिन्स किंवा अरिल हलाइडचे असतील. फॉर एक्झाम्पल chlorobenzene. Now see here, this is the molecule of chlorobenzene. plus 2 sodium atoms plus chlorobenzene, another molecule. So there are 2 molecules of same aryl halide here, chlorobenzene plus 2 sodium atoms in presence of dry ether. So here 2 chlorobenzene molecules react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. We get the product biphenyl. This product is biphenyl. आता काय झालेलं या ठिकाणी दोन फिनिल रिंग एकाला एक जोडलेले आहेत. They are attached through the places where halogen atoms were attached. म्हणजे ज्या ठिकाणी हॅलोजन ॲटम अटॅच झालेले होते त्या प्लेसला त्या दोन्ही रिंग एकाला एक अटॅच झालेल्या आहेत. म्हणजेच हॅलोजन ॲटम इथून बाहेर पडलेत आणि दोन्ही रिंग एकाला एक अटॅच झालेल्या आहेत. The product is biphenyl. So 2 phenyl rings are attached to each other. So it is called as biphenyl plus 2 sodium chloride molecules, twice of NaCl as the side product. So this is called as Fittig reaction. Now this reaction was discovered by the scientist known as Fittig, and therefore after his name such a reaction is called as Fittig reaction. So let us revise that Wood's reaction is in between two molecules of alkyl halide with sodium metal. Wood's Fittig reaction is the reaction between one aryl halide and one alkyl halide molecule with sodium, and Fittig reaction is the reaction between two aryl halide molecules or haloarenes with sodium metal. So in this way these reactions are described in terms of the reactions of haloarenes, and that is reaction with. So friends, I hope that you might have understood the topic. तुम्हाला जर माझे व्हिडिओ आवडत असतील तर नवीन नवीन टॉपिक क्लिअर करून घेण्यासाठी माझा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, व्हिडिओजला लाईक करा आणि शेअर करा. थँक यू व्हेरी मच.